Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus. I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and today we're talking about ripening Kaki fruits. First, we are speaking about Japanese, Asian Kakis. Of course, we could also speak about the American Kakis or hybrids. In principle, it's the same what we have to say, but we are concentrating on the two varieties, Aroma and Chocolatino. I have to say that we have an earlier crisp variety, which is fantastic for you early. And this one for you early, you can really pick from the tree in September, October, and it's firm. It has no astringency. You can eat it direct from the tree. It's fantastic. Of course, when you're not sure, when it's a little bit too early, you can also ripen them a little bit in your house. How to ripen fresh picked Kaki fruits. You know, Kaki fruits in our climate sometimes we think is not ripening fully, but it's the same in the south. They are picked very firm, then they are going through the logistics, they're going through thousands of kilometers, and then they are ripening industrially in chambers with the help of ethylene, with a ripening gas. And the same you can do yourself. You're picking your fruit in October, November. We have now middle of November. My wife has picked the not 100% ripen, not still firm Kaki fruits, and then you can ripen them in your house. How? You take a zip plastic bag. You have the Kakis here, and you have a banana or some apples. You can also have several Kakis, and then both fruits are producing ethylene. And the ethylene is fastening the process of ripening into the fruit, and then the fruits are producing more ethylene, so more ripening, faster ripening, becoming softer and better, and so on. So the same process the big guys are doing in an industrial process in big chambers, you can do at home with a zip plastic bag or with another bag, so very easy to do. So, but what else you have to think when you are ripening Kaki fruit? The first thing and most important thing, do they have stones, seeds, or don't they have seeds? Here we have the variety Chocolatino with a little bit this brown lines, brown color into the fruit flesh, which is typical for this fantastic variety. And normally this variety has always seeds because it has male organs in the flowers, and so it's self-pollinating and it's producing without any problems fruits with seeds. And the seeds seem to take up the bitter things into in the fruits. So this fruit is much faster ripened without any astringency than seedless varieties. So also when you have a rather firm Chocolatino fruit like this one, oh, there's another seed. This is a firm one, still a little bit crisp and firm, no astringency. And then I take here a soft one, which is still already very soft. Of course, also no astringency, but much better. So you have really to ripen Chocolatino till the status when it's very, very soft. Then it's really broad, sweet, super sweet, and nice. I prefer fruits with a little bit of acidity, but I like this broad, warm, sugar type Kakis like Chocolatino. Now here we have the other variety, which is Aroma, which is normally not producing seeds. It's parthenocarpic fruits, so the fruit develops without pollination. But sometimes, especially in our nursery, because we have many varieties in the nursery, it's developing seeds like here. So now we test. They have been ripened a little bit for these ones about for 6-7 days. They're very soft now. They have seeds. Everything the name says, aromatic. It's a variety Aroma. I like it a lot. Very good to eat when it's soft, and especially very good to eat when it's soft and has seeds. Here a firmer fruit, also with seeds, also no astringency, a little bit, only a little bit. So perhaps I would have had to ripen it a little more. And now I go to aroma fruit without seeds, and it's not 100% soft, and then trying it. Oh my God. Ah, that's hard work. That's 100% astringency. My mouth is 100% dry. I am not able to speak anymore. A little bit I can still. And it's really full of astringency. So what does this mean? This means that when you have a seedless fruit, you have to ripen it much more than a seedy fruit, because it has more astringency. So aroma without seeds you can only eat when it's very, very soft. So you have to ripen it in the zip bag till it is very, very soft, 100% soft, and then it's fantastic. And seedy fruits can ripen much faster, so you can eat it earlier, also in the aroma variety, and the same of course in the chocolatine variety, which almost always has seeds. A little bit an exception is the variety Early Fuyu, which is bred for crisp consumption. I prefer the soft ones, but it's really bred for crisp consumption, and it's already ripened without any astringency in September, beginning of October. You can almost always take it crisp from the tree and eat it right away. If you want to be 100% sure, then you ripen it for 4 or 5 days in a zip bag. That's everything. So don't eat seedless Kaki, which are still firm when they are soft varieties like Aroma or Chocolatino. Go on gardening and plant Kaki trees. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.